Hi guys, I'm here to explain to you about the cell. Yeah, this lecture may be boring, but I'll try my best not to make it boring, okay? First of all, what is a cell? Yeah, what is a cell? Cells are the basic building blocks of all life. There's a cell theory, go ahead and read it. Don't mind the cute baby! Yay! All cells have organelles. Organelles are structures that carry out a specific task in the cell. Now there are two types of cells that exist in this world. The eukaryotic cell and the prokaryotic cell. Now, what are the differences between them really? As you can see in the prokaryotic cell, that their DNA in the middle is all messed up. They do not have a nucleus. They have a flagellum, that long thing that's sticking out, that brown one, and they have these tentacle-like structures on their membrane that stick to certain substances. The eukaryote, on the other hand, have membrane-bound organelles, especially the nucleus, that contains all the DNA and instructions of life. The parts of a cell. We have the nucleus, the vesicles, the endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi complex, the lysosomes, the cell membrane, the cytosol or cytoplasm, the mitochondrion, the vacuole, the cell wall, and the chloroplasts. Now let's talk about the framework of the cell. There are certain structures that hold the cell together, like a bridge, for example. And these are three of the structures that hold the cell together. Go ahead and read them and pause the video if you want. The picture is kinda cool though, I like it. The nucleus, yay! Proteins are needed for all cellular activity. The instructions to make proteins are stored in the DNA, which is in the nucleus. There are certain parts of the nucleus. First is the nuclear envelope. It's a double membrane that surrounds the nucleus. Then the nuclear pores. The nuclear envelope has many nuclear pores that allow certain molecules to pass in and out of the nucleus. The DNA are organized strands of information throughout the nucleus. The nucleolus is a prominent structure inside the nucleus where ribosomes, which are the organelles that make proteins, are pre-assembled and sent out. Let's talk about the cell membrane. It's actually really quite complicated. Now that is a lipid. Its head, the blue one, is attracted to water, okay? And then tails are repelled by water. So, in the membrane, there's a double layer. On the top, those are the lipids. All those yellow stuff are lipids. The heads are attracted to water, that's why they're on the outside. And on the inside, there are the nonpolar ones, or the ones that are repelled by water. This forms what you call the lipid bilayer. That is the cell membrane. I told you it was complicated. Now let's talk about ribosomes. They're made of RNA and proteins. Two kinds of ribosomes, the free ribosomes and the bound ribosomes. Go ahead and read it. Pause. That's the end of part 1. There will be a continuation in the description. Please follow the link, and that will be the processes of the cell. Man, was that boring or what? I thought it was boring. Well, I guess I hope you guys learned something out of this for the first half. See ya soon. Bye.